Would you like to earn $100 to $200 every day using Google Maps? For today's method, you won't need any skills or experience, and you can start right away. We are going to teach you how exactly you can use Google Maps to earn $100 to $200 every single day so you can start making money online immediately. We're going to teach you how to make full-time income all from the comfort of your own home, and we're going to teach you how you can consistently earn your desired income. Make sure that you watch this whole video from start to finish so that you can understand how to make our method work correctly. Now, don't even think about skipping parts either, because if you do skip, then chances are you might miss very important details. And if you do miss very important details, then you won't get your desired outcome. We are going to be walking you through the whole process step by step to make money online so much more easier. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Step 1 for today's method would be to make sure that you have a PayPal account, because if you don't have a PayPal account, then you cannot join in on this method. Today's method will have to pay you, and they will have to pay you through PayPal, so go ahead and make a PayPal account right now if you don't have an account yet. It's easy and it's free, so you have no excuse not to do so. Once you've secured yourself a PayPal account, then go ahead on Google Maps right away. Now, what we want you to do is to go through your location as of present. That location is going to be the most profitable area on your map. Before continuing on, we want to make sure that you have Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. If you do have Google Chrome, then that's good. But if you don't, then please install Google Chrome right now before proceeding, because our next step involves adding an extension to Google Chrome, and you can only do that if you have Google Chrome. Once you've crossed out the step of having Google Chrome, we want you to go on google.com and then proceed to type in Google Web Store and click the top result. This is what you should be seeing on your screen next. Now on this web page, we want you to focus on this search bar over here. Now we want you to type in Facebook Pixel Helper and then hit enter on that search. It's going to be the first result that you see. Now click on that and you'll find yourself on here next. Now, just to clarify, no, you won't need Facebook to do this or to have this extension, because what we're going to need this for is to spy on different web pages without the owners of those pages knowing that we're spying on them. Just pretend you're an agent and you're going through information of web pages without the rest of the world knowing about what you're doing. Next step is to add this extension, and to do so, you need to click this button right here that says Add to Chrome. So go ahead and click that. Once you've done that, go back to Google Maps and go back to your local city. Now this is what's going to make you earn more money from this method, so make sure that you pay attention and follow correctly. What we're going to be doing next is looking up local businesses. Not just any local business though, but more specific local businesses that would be willing to pay you huge sums of money every month. Now, the more specific businesses that we were talking about would be the dentist, accountant or CPA, auto repair shop, plumber, and chiropractor. Please take note of these. If you missed it, then go back a few seconds to note it down. Now you can choose any from the list that you think would do you the most good, but in today's video, we are going to be choosing the dentist. So now we want you to focus on the search bar of Google Maps and then type in whatever it is you've chosen from the list, and then proceed to type in your city or where you are currently at. So for us, it's the dentist and then the city that we're in, and go ahead and hit search on that. Now you're supposed to see this. And if you can notice all of the red marks on the map that are being shown, those are all the dentists from our location. These are where all of our high income potential will come from. These are going to be huge opportunities for us to be able to earn thousands of dollars from every single month. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. Now the first thing you want to do over here is to choose a business. We have a lot to choose from, of course, but just select one for now. Any that you would like. We're gonna choose Zamboanga Dentist over here, and as you can see, we clicked on the red mark. As you can see, as soon as we click on our chosen business, you'll see all the information about our chosen business on the left side of our screen. You'll see its name, exact address, operating hours, website, contact number, a plus code, and some photos even. Now we want you to focus on the link to the business's website. Before you go ahead and click on that, make sure that you've already installed the extension, and once you're sure that you've done that, then you are ready for this next step. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to be brought directly to the website of our chosen business. Now you can take a look around the website and maybe read on it a little if you want. Once you've explored and done whatever it is you wanted to do while exploring, we're going to move on to the very crucial step of today's method. We are going to try and see if this business is currently driving traffic from Facebook using Facebook ads. And the way that we are going to know that is to use the Facebook Pixel Helper extension that we already told you to secure. So click on it on the top part of your browser. Since it is an extension, you will find that icon somewhere in the top. So go ahead and click on that, or just follow where we're clicking. Once you click on that icon, it's supposed to say if there were any pixels found on the website or not. And for our website, it says no pixels found and they aren't using Facebook ads. Now, if you did find a business with pixels found in the website using this extension, then that's going to determine and tell us that there is already someone managing their ads, which means it's best that we just click off this website and pass. Now what you're going to have to do is go through those different dentists again and list down all of the businesses that don't have pixels on them, because these are all different opportunities for you to go ahead and try contacting the business and letting them know that you can handle their Facebook advertisements for a small fee every month. You can give them your price and you can assure them that it's all hands off. They don't need to do anything. You will do all of the work for them. They can go along with their business per usual while you're doing your job in tripling and even quadrupling the traffic to their website so they can get more visits. At this point, you might be thinking about how you don't know how to manage Facebook ads or any of the sort, and we don't either. So here's something that you can do. Go on ahead to Fiverr.com. Now through Fiverr, you can hire someone from here to manage the ads for you for a very small price. Let's assume that starting at $25, you can already hire someone from Fiverr, and then you can charge your business $200 a month to manage their ads, and then that will leave you with $175 of profit. But if you're still testing out the waters, then you can go ahead and charge the business $120 a month and take away $100 profit. Now, to be able to reach out to these businesses, you can go to their website and call their number. Now, don't worry, we understand that some of you may not be so comfortable doing so. So you can scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and then you can email them instead, directly to the email address that they provided on their website, and let them know about your offer, and make sure that you let them know you're someone local, because then they are most likely to trust you and have you actually do that work for them. Or you can go ahead and message them on their Facebook as well, since they have an account, and then message them through there so they can be sure that you're a real person, which cuts the process shorter for you as well. It's very simple and very convenient as well, as long as you are consistent. You can then go ahead and try out all the other businesses that you've gathered, and try out all of the types of businesses that we listed down for you earlier to try out as well. And try all of those out, because they will definitely work for you and give you better outcomes and more income. Now, when the time comes that they will have to pay you your monthly fee, you can let them know that you have a PayPal account, and they can just send your pay directly through there. And you can also send your pay to the person you hired on Fiverr, their pay through PayPal account, if that would be the most convenient for them as well. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.